Dear mariners, welcome to my channel The Sailing Beast. Please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates on upcoming videos. Also you can visit The Sailing Beast blog at thesailingbeast.blogspot.com. Blog link is mentioned in description box. In this video we will discuss cargo installation special surveys. 1. All cargo tanks are to be examined internally. 2. Special attention is to be given to the cargo tank and insulation in way of chocks, supports and keys. 3. Non-destructive testing is to supplement cargo tank inspection with special attention to be given to the integrity of the main structural members, tank shell and highly stressed parts, including welded connections as deemed necessary by the surveyor. 4. The tightness of all cargo tanks is to be verified by an appropriate procedure. 5. Where findings or an examination of the voyage records raises doubts as to the structural integrity of a cargo tank, a hydraulic or hydropneumatic test is to be carried out. 6. As far as practicable, all hold spaces and hull insulation, if provided, secondary barriers and tank supporting structures are to be visually examined. The secondary barrier of all tanks is to be checked for their effectiveness by means of a pressure/vacuum test, a visual examination or another acceptable method. 7. The pressure/vacuum relief valves, rupture disc and other pressure relief devices for interbarrier spaces and hold spaces are to be opened, examined, tested and readjusted as necessary, depending on their design. 8. The pressure relief valves for the cargo tanks are to be opened for examination, adjusted, function tested, and sealed. 9. The cargo, liquid nitrogen and process piping systems are to be opened for examination as deemed necessary. Insulation is to be removed as deemed necessary to ascertain the condition of the pipes. If the visual examination raises doubt as to the integrity of the pipelines, a pressure test at 1.25 times the MOVs for the pipeline is to be carried out. After reassembly, the complete piping systems are to be tested for leaks. 10. The pressure relief valves are to be function tested. A random selection of valves is to be opened for examination and adjusted. 11. Cargo pumps, compressors, process pressure vessels, liquid nitrogen tanks, heat exchangers and other components, including prime movers, used in connection with cargo handling and methane boil-off burning are to be examined as required in the rules of each individual society for periodical survey of machinery. 12. Systems for removal of water or cargo from interbarrier spaces and holds are to be examined and tested as deemed necessary. 13. All gas-tight bulkheads are to be inspected. The effectiveness of gas-tight shaft sealing is to be verified. 14. The following equipment is to be examined: hoses and spool pieces used for segregation of piping systems for cargo, inert gas and bilging. 15. It is to be verified that all cargo piping systems are electrically bonded to the hull.